Hi teachers, my name is Mustain and I'm here to share my passion for teaching writing by sharing with you simple tips and tricks to make your writing workshop thrive. If you're new here, be sure to check out the link below with my bio so you can get to know me a little better. Teachers, this vlog is for you only, and I need your help. I need you to comment below and let me know, what do you need to see? What kinds of lessons can I show you to make your life easier this year? Today I'm going to show you how to make that reading-writing connection with your mentored text. So come along with me and watch a short lesson with my kiddos. So much. I absolutely love this book. So what I want to do as I read is look at the way she has organized this book, because you know, I've never met Gaia Cornwall, but she made a plan just like this. Before she wrote her book, she made a plan, okay? So I'm gonna read it and we're gonna be looking for the different parts of a plan in her book, okay? We're gonna try to figure out what her plan looked like. I'm jumping off the diving board today. Jabari told his dad. Really? Is that his dad? The diving board was high, maybe a little scary, but Jabari had finished his swimming lessons and passed his swim test, and now he was ready to jump. I'm a great jumper, said Jabari, so I'm not scared at all. All right, guys, that's her lead. That's the way she started it up here. What kind of lead did she use? How did she pull us into the story? How did she do that? It is entertaining, but what did she do to bring us into the story? Hannah, real loud. Did she paint a picture? So she's bringing us into the story with a picture. So if I was to fill this out, I would say that she was painting a picture. I'm going to write it up here. Painting a picture. I'm gonna write it there because that's kind of what she has done in her lead, okay? So let's keep going. All right, Jabari watched the other kids climb the long ladder. They walked all the way out to the end of the board as big as tiny bugs. Then they stood on the edge. They spread their arms and bent their knees and sprang up, 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 and then they dove down, down, down. Splash. Looks easy, Jabari said. But when his dad squeezed his hand, Jabari squeezed back. Huh. How clever of the author to do that. Why do you think Gaia Cornwall had him squeeze back? Talk with your partners. Go. Oh, I don't see you talking. Talk with your partners. All right, stop. Who can tell me, why did the author Gaia Cornwall go, why did he have Jabari squeeze back when his dad squeezed his hand? Why do you think he had Jabari squeeze back? Penelope? He's scared. So she's helping us see that he's a little nervous. I love that. What a clever way. Jabari stood at the bottom of the ladder and he looked up. You can go before me if you want, he told the kid behind him. I need to think about what kind of special jump I'm going to do. Jabari thought and thought. Teachers, you didn't see the whole lesson, but basically we went through the whole plan and I showed the kids how the author really drew out the middle of the story and had a conclusion. But most importantly, I made that reading-writing connection with the kids. Did you notice when I talked about he squeezed his hand and Jabari squeezed back, how that author is building suspense there? I also refer to Gaia Cornwall, the author, because I really want the kids to see that author's craft and the things that she has done to really entertain the reader. This is narrative writing, but guys, you can use this in informative writing. I would do the same exact thing with any type of genre. I hope you're walking away with at least one thing to use in your classroom right away. If you enjoyed this video, please help me out by pressing the like button, subscribe, and make a comment so that I can give you better lessons in the future. I'll see you next time with some more ideas.